Hi Best Buds, it's Cathy with Cathy's Garden. I'm so happy that you joined me today. Today is hashtag #TagMeTuesday, but first let's have our shout out. To Dawn, Sherry, Debbie, Paula, Nancy, Evie, Liberty Lost, Julie, Tracker 584, and Michelle. I appreciate each and every one of you. Today we're going to make vintage tissue paper trifold with some botanical pictures. So these pictures right here, they are from a clip art book that I purchased on Amazon, and they're pictures of beautiful flowers. Now maybe you don't have flowers, maybe you have some vintage buildings, maybe you have some birds, whatever type of subject matter that you have that is something like this. These are different sizes, so these happen to be 3.5 by 5.5, and this one is 5 by 3, and this one is 4.5 by 3, and this little one is 3 inches by a little over 4. So whatever size that you have, it'll work out perfectly. Excuse me for just a second. Oh, I'm sorry about that. I think I sucked something in the wrong way. Alrighty, so we're going to use those botanicals, and now I have some coffee dyed tracing paper. So we just need one sheet. Grab one of these sheets here, and I'm going to fold it the long way, and I'm going to bring in my botanical pictures again, and I just don't know, but I'm really loving those gloxinias, but these are pretty too. Oh my goodness, I don't know which one to use. Okay, I think I'll use the gloxinias because I'm looking at it on my computer and they're very vibrant, and I think they will show up very well for the video. So because of that, I'm going to choose this one. And folding it's going to depend on the size that you're using, the size of your featured item. Like I said, a vintage building or a bird or a botanical, whatever it is that you choose, that's what's going to determine the size in which you fold your trifold. So you're going to want, obviously I'm going to have to cut some off of the top or possibly the bottom here, but I'm looking at the sides, and you want, you know, maybe 1/2 inch or so on either side, something like that. And so let's go ahead and let's fold it. I think I want it a little less. I think I want it to be about right here. So I'm going to give this a crease right here, just like this. This happens to be a little over 3.5 inches, and then I'm going to fold the other side over just like this. Okay, so there's my trifold. And I am going to have mine open up like this, okay? So I'm going to look again and say, well, I think I want to trim this off about, let me get my pencil, about right here. So it's approximately the same distance. If I place my little botanical right here, it's about the same distance here to here. So it's as evenly placed as I think I can get it. And I'm going to bring in my small guillotine and just give it a chop. All right, so we've got that. We have our base, and we have our beautiful botanical. Now I'm going to bring in some very pretty frames, and these frames are from my Porch prints, and I am going to choose one of these frames for just accenting my little piece here, my little botanicals. I'm not quite sure how I want to do this. I don't know, maybe I'm thinking I want it crooked. That's what my example is a little crooked, but I don't know, that's awful pretty too. Oh, I like it being long like that, and the gloxinias are long, and so I really kind of like it like that. And I do like it crooked, just a little artsy, you know, just something a little different. But let's see, I think I might want to go this way with it. I'm not sure yet. I'm still working this out. Maybe. No, I don't want it that way. Maybe I want to bring these back in. I'm not quite sure. I like this one too. My problem is I really am liking this flower bud right here. Maybe if I put it like this over to the side like that, and then that way I do get my flower bud, but yet it's still a little off center. I'm kind of liking this off center thing, and I'm not sure why. I wonder even if it's possible to go something like this and make it like that, or I could bring it down. No, I don't like that. I'm just working this out, guys. This is something different that I just really hadn't planned. Kind of taken on a life of its own here. I don't know why I like that, but I kind of do. So I have something else here. Oh, here we are. I've got some Shabbydabbydoodah bows. Got some bling here. And I would like, oh yeah, okay, I'm seeing it now, guys. I know what I'm doing now. What I need to do is I need to go ahead and I need to ink with my vintage photo just lightly around my trifold. I'm just going to do it just like this. Oh, doesn't it sound wonderful? This little piece of ephemera is just a wonderful little addition to your junk journal, or maybe even happy mail, because it's going to be thin enough you could slip it into an envelope and it would be really nice. And I just love the sound of the tissue paper. Coffee dyeing's very simple. I just coffee dyed one side of the tissue paper and it just blends, or bleeds I should say, to the other side. You don't have to coffee dye both sides. So as I ink this up quickly, I'm going to tell you what is hashtag Cathy Sewing Happiness. I have a Facebook group. The link is down below. Sorry. All right, you guys, I had to take a break for a second. I have no idea where that came from, but that was kind of a coughing fit. All right, so sorry about that. Let's go ahead. I was telling you about hashtag tagmetuesday. It's a Facebook group that I do have. The link is down below. I invite you all to join. It's a group in which I welcome you to share your version of hashtag tagmetuesday. I try very hard to put one up every Tuesday. I have a couple times thought it was Tuesday and it wasn't Tuesday. I put it up. I don't know if you guys have noticed that, but I've done it twice. So I try to pay attention to what's Tuesday and what isn't. Usually that happens when I'm out and about and I have to download it off of my phone and I can't see that it actually says hashtag tagmetuesday and I accidentally upload the wrong one. But anyway, needless to say, this is Tuesday and it is up. And so I welcome you all to show us your version of the hashtag tagmetuesday craft that we do. And so you can put pictures up of your version so we all can see. Now, to join the group, you will need to accept the rules. The rules are very simple, you guys, and it's to be kind to everyone and there is no selling, and that just means there is no selling on this site. It does not mean that you cannot sell. You most certainly can sell your things, just not on this site. So I invite you all to join, and that's all there is to it. So it's going to ask you 2 questions to join. You only have to answer the one, and the one is, do you accept the rules of the group? And that answer would be yes. So that's all there is to that. So I'm just adding my Shabbydabbydoodah bow on now, and I'm going to place it right here. I think that's going to be really cute. And I do have a little bit of lace. I have some stamps here that are from my Porch prints. And let's see here. I want to add, oh, that lavender one's pretty. Oh, I do like this brown one. I'm not real sure if I even want one of these sizes. Let's see. I'm going to grab my box real quick. Sorry about that, guys. None of those were really doing it for me. So I thought I should grab the box so I could maybe see if I need something else. I need a different one. I'm thinking I do. Maybe I need a little bit of a green one. That's pretty too. This little brown one's sweet. Which way does this go? Oh, I can't tell. We won't use it if I can't tell which way to put it. Alright, I'm still recovering, if you can tell, from my coughing attack. Try not to talk a whole lot. Now, I don't know where that has come from, guys. I'm not sick. Just maybe the air is dry. The air conditioner has been on. Not too big. Oh, sorry about this, guys. I should just be able to say, oh, and here it is. Oh, I do like that one. Alrighty. Let's go ahead and let's select that one. I'm just going to get these out of the way here and put my lid back on here. And, whoa, let's go ahead and ink this up quickly. There we go. And let's just add it right there. I think that's going to be very nice addition right here. And let's add a little bit of lace, and I'm not sure where I want to put that. Maybe, oh, down the side is cute. Down the side indeed is really sweet. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to trim this right here. And I'm just going to add a little bit of glue right down the side. I'm just going to pop this on. Just like that. Press this down. Okay. And then I think I want to add a little bit more of this lace, maybe right over here on this corner. Maybe something like this. Oh yeah, that's really cute. I'm loving this red. I think this is really quite attractive with the red. Now a little bit of extra trimming is needed here. All right, and then let's add a little bit of bling. Of course, right guys, a little bit of bling. Maybe some right here. Maybe some down here. That's not even on any lace, just by itself on the tracing paper. Let's do that. That looks something different. Pop it right down there, and then let's pop this one right up here at the top. And I'll show you my one that I made as a template as I was working this up. So let's look at this one. Oh, isn't that pretty? You just open it up, and tissue paper takes writing really nice. And like I said, it sounds wonderful, and it's very, very thin, right? Oh my gosh, that is so thin. To slip it into another envelope or an envelope, to put it in a belly band. Look at this one. I even put some gold paint on the bow. Isn't that pretty? I love these. I think that these would be a great addition to your junk journal. I hope that you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please give me a thumbs up. I invite you to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. I'll see you there, guys. Bye now.